everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset all your settings and also the network settings on your PlayStation 4. So we want to go up to the top, go to settings, go all the way down to the bottom here, and go to where it says initialization. And we have the option called restore default settings, and just type in the default password. This is probably square, 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 square. And then you can restore all the default settings on here. So maybe you have an issue with the network settings. You can see it's listed under here as one of the options that's going to be reset. Also, your sign-in information, you're going to be logged out, so remember your email address and password. But if you're having a problem with your PS4 and you don't know the setting that's causing it, restore the setting right here, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.